Hey, welcome back to the garage. Today what we're going to be doing, well, not we, I'm going to be doing, you'll be watching this on your phone or computer or wherever. But what we're going to be doing is finishing up suspension stuff. This is the last official item that I need to do, which is my front sway bar. So it's a 1-inch sway bar. It is the Scott Drake something Sims 5482 Alpha by Scott Drake. But it came with the street or track kit that I bought. So let's get it underneath the car and figure out how the heck this thing goes on here. Cool. So first things first is we're going to take these sway bar mounts and put the, well, it's not rubber. Is it rubber? I don't know. Whatever this black bit is around the sway bar, toss it up here, and then we're going to bolt the sway bar right up there. So one that's on passenger side and then right over there on the driver's side. And then what that'll do is that'll help me kind of place the sway bar, hold it in place, so we can put the these guys, extendo rods, the go-go gadget arms, whatever they are. So let me get these tossed on and we'll show you what it looks like. So we have the sway bar loosely mounted in here. And then next up, we have these dingalings. That's what I'm gonna start calling it. I don't anyway, so you have, right, the two rubber bits on the left and the two rubber bits on the right. And how that works is one set goes around the sway bar right here, and then the other set goes around the lower control arm, and then there's that steel spacer, right, to keep the space there. Pretty straightforward, not necessarily rocket surgery. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss those in. Oh, let me see if I can do this one-handed for you. All right, so I'll take this and go right there, and then we'll take this guy right here, and I'll go right there. There's some maniac driving down my street. All right, I can't do this one-handed. Stand by. All right, got it installed. So that's a little spacer deal. All right, goes up, connects to the frame rail right there, and same on this side. All right, same. But anyway. What do I got back? Ah, nice engine in the background. Anyway, appreciate y'all coming along. Like, comment, subscribe. I think tomorrow we'll be stabbing this engine in the trans into the car. So hopefully that goes well and goes smoothly. Anyway, talk to you. Bye.